Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this section we have to scroll in order to find the section connected with the apps and notifications. So let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on we have to wait because we have to tap on see all 45 apps, 45 in my case of course. So let's tap on this section and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see here your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this particular device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.